So we have baking soda and water that we made into cookies, okay? And then we used beads for the eyes, some orange foam for the nose, and then some pony beads, red pony beads for the mouth, okay? We mixed it together and we let it dry overnight. And literally, it's like a cookie, okay? That's pretty cool. So we have it on a tray, baking soda and water. Yes, baking soda and water. So now we have our vinegar and we are going to melt a snowman.
Is that pure vinegar?
It is pure vinegar.
Oh,
I just
okay.
opened it.
I didn't know if it was something that you made it and put it into a bottle.
No, I just opened this.
Pony beads.
Pony beads? Little girls wear them in their hair.
Oh, okay.
Pony beads. But you could use like little beads, little black beads. This is just what I had on hand. Okay?
It's cute though.
They're cute, right? Okay, so the whole point is just to melt a snowman. So let's just see how this goes.
The bubblies.
Goodbye, Frosty. Don't worry, I'll be back again someday.
That was awesome.
I love snowmen. Oh my gosh, I got a snowman tree.
Isn't that fabulous? So it's a whole different take on the whole volcanic eruption, except for now we just have melting snowmen.
Yeah, the kids will love that.
It smells delightful.
Can you eat it when it's all done? No, I don't think so.
All right, so try this experiment.